Oh, that went way off. That's down there. I can't really see it on my phone though. It does suck. No.
The pole. Okay. You're two and aim for the pole. Never do this again.
Oh, she freaking nails it.
Pole. Pole.
He did. He nailed it. Oh! Fast hit the roof up.